Here we have the newly installed electric door by S1 Builders. Lovely smooth movement. Brand new door as well. Nice and smooth and quiet the other way. Even with an interior light.